TRC EDC here, back again with another knife video. Now, I've got a massive unboxing here today, and that is because I've been on a little bit of a trading spree recently. You may have noticed some of the videos, if you've been watching my channel recently, where I talk about why I've been selling or trading knives. Most of the time I'm actually trading them, and I explain why I call it selling in some of the videos. But here's the fruits of that labor, and so let's take a look at what we have. First of all, I'll be using my Civivi Backlash as the knife to open these boxes today. And so let's take a look at what we got. So the first one is a couple of items. And the trading on this one came off of a Facebook group. And this is the Leatherman Micra. It's an interesting little multi-tool. I never even held one or really knew it existed before. Obviously this one's been used quite a bit, but this is a throw-in basically in the deal, so I don't mind at all, and it's kind of cool. See what we got here. This is another throw-in in the deal. It's a Streamlight flashlight, pen light, Streamlight MicroStream. It looks like the batteries are dead, or it doesn't work, either one, but I guess I'll replace the batteries and see whether or not this came in good condition. This is the main reason for the trade. As you guys can see, it's a black class Benchmade, and it is the Benchmade Bailout. A couple of you guys know that I got a bug out recently without, now this was something that I didn't think I would end up buying. The first time I held it, I didn't necessarily love it, but now I like it so much that when the bailout came out, even despite the heat treat problems, I had to get my hands on one. So let's take a look at this one. This is interesting. The pommel, or the the pommel backspacer. I don't know what you want to call that. Still very sharp. First production. The action needs a little bit of breaking in, which means this knife probably hasn't been flipped nearly as much. Very cool. I think I'm happy I got this. Now, I'll show you guys what I traded for this, and I still have it. My Benchmade Adamas. Now, I'll do a video of why I'm selling this at some later point. And so you may be thinking, well, why do I still have this if I traded for it? And that is because the person who traded with me did not have vouchers on the group, and so he actually offered to send me his first, which was very, very nice of him, and I will be making sure to send him this tomorrow to make sure that goes out. All right, let's put these knives to the side. And let's get the next one. This is another trade. Let's see what we got here. Now this is in a wee knife's pouch, but I don't think it's a wee knife. This is, see if you can see that, Boost Blades. And this is the Smoke. This is an all titanium blacked out version. And this is the first time I've ever held this knife. It's also the first time I've ever held a front flipper. So let's just take a look and see if I can figure this out. Oh. Ah, there we go. Let's try that again. Ah. I think I just had my finger on the lock bar before. See if I can get that to fire out. There we go. That's nice. This thing is thin. This thing probably carries amazingly. Ergos are good. M390 blade. See the action on this. Pretty good action. Nice. Short learning curve, I guess. All right. And the last one. And if I'm not mistaken, I should have another knife or two on the way for some more unboxings, perhaps later this week. All right. And this obviously is a Spyderco. This is the Manix 2 carbon fiber Cru-Wear. A lot of people have said this is the ultimate Manix when asked online what they prefer as far as Manixes. I'm very curious to get my hands on this. Carbon fiber on this feels excellent. It really feels excellent. Very smooth. It's a little bit of a matte smoothness. It's smooth, but it has a smaller texture on it, I guess, of some matte finish. It's hard to explain. There you go, CPM Cru-Wear. Now, this is my first Cru-Wear knife, so I'm very curious to see how this steel works. Just get a close-up of the knife. And it looks like it's got some patina marks there. All right, well, this is my unboxing today. Oh, the one other thing, the interesting thing on this is that it feels like, I wonder if my other Manixes had jimping. Hold on. I want to see how these compare to my other Manixes. Nope, I'm just imagining it. All right, well, that'll do it, I think, for this video. This is a very different feel than the G10. The G10 is very, very textured compared to this. This is much smoother. But that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Please, if you enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Love having conversations with you guys, especially in the comments section. I try to respond to every single person that comments, and so please feel free to comment, and again, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day, guys.